The house is like ridiculously messy at the moment, but we're staying in Castletownbere for a few nights. We're going swimming now, so I'll just give you a quick little look around. Bathroom, bedroom, bedroom. Mess. Well, kitchen, hall, the sitting room, and we're going. So let's go, boys.
Nothing but waves in this filling in. I wanna dry up, but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here. All my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We
You're kayaking with the lads. Right, Tom, I gotta come join you.
I'm like a Ferrari, you're a little Toyota Yaris.
Oh, here comes Ramos.
Oh, he's cornered.
Oh, he's a nigga.
L-I-V-I-N.
So this is me, day 225, after escaping the Outer Banks. We're on our way to find the gold. Me and Sarah Cameron. Look, I'll keep you updated. Post for life, baby.
Right, Jay absolutely hates the water because I don't actually know why, but he just hates it. So we're gonna put him in.
Slapping off that is just so nice. That's the money maker, that one. Is that one yet?
Don't worry, Jay, I got it. Bouncy.
I look at the clouds. What are you doing? You're trying to do it already. I'll drop you. The boat's back in there, lads, I'm afraid, yeah, got a gang there.
No hassle at all, yeah. Sound.
Drove all the way to Cork just for Jay to take an oxygen test.
Negative,
But it's negative, so happy days. Can't take this man anywhere.
I'm going home. Go home.
See you, boys.